What is up, everybody? It is Brian with First Shot Tactical, back with another video for you here today. And today we are doing a quick unboxing of the Aero Precision M5 upper receiver, and this is the enhanced version. So there's two different versions you can pick up if you're looking to do an M5 or 308 AR build. One of them is the normal version where it has threads on the front, and the other version is this one, which is the enhanced version that does not have threads on the front, and it only works with the Aero Precision enhanced handguard. So I think that's one of the biggest learning points in this whole video is the difference between the enhanced and normal one. But either way, let's go ahead and get this unboxed and I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. Pretty simple packaging it comes in here. As you can see, the classic Aero Precision branding on it. Go ahead and open it up. Pull this guy out here, and oh yes, our precious sticker. Let's go. We'll add it to our collection up top here. Nothing else in the box here. Set that aside. And then now here we have our actual upper receiver. We can unwrap, and nice, look at this. Obviously I had to go with the FDE color because that is my favorite here. So that's what I got. Again, this is the enhanced version for the Aero Precision M5 or 308 build parts. The big difference, as you can see, and as I already talked about, is this right here. So on the front here, you can see this is actually milled in or forged all together. It's all one piece. You cannot remove this whole area here, where typically there would be threads here on any other kind of Aero or even any other brand upper receiver where you can then put your barrel nut on. But for this enhanced version, it does not have that. Reason being is this is meant to go with the enhanced upper handguard, and I actually do have it. I'll bring it on screen right here. So the way this works here, this only works with this. However, this handguard can go to any other upper receiver as long as you have the correct, it's called a barrel nut that Aero Precision sells, to thread onto your upper receiver to accept this handguard. In the case I have here, this is the handguard I wanted to use, and this provides the most secure platform to put them together. So it actually makes it really easy to do. Once I put my barrel on here, it does have the barrel nut provided on the upper receiver. If I can get it all the way out. There we go. So here's our barrel nut. So we're gonna drop our barrel in here, use this as our barrel nut, torque this down to spec. And then once we have our barrel here, we'll go ahead and line our gas tube up, and you can see it has the hole already lined up there, which makes it super easy to install as well. And from there, the last thing you can do is put your handguard on, and you can see these holes here, and right here, all of these line up perfectly. Like that. And then you have all one solid piece, and your handguard and upper receiver will be complete. So super easy to put together. And again, this is the only handguard that will work on the enhanced upper receiver. So just keep that in mind. If you want to change this out later, maybe you should not get the enhanced upper like I have. But for my case here, this is the route I wanted to go, and I'm never going to change this handguard out on my M5 build. You can also see it does come with the forward assist already put in here on this version, and we have the dust cover already installed here too. And the other thing to note here, if you are going to, or if you want to swap this for a different dust cover, like a Strike Industries one or something cool, just note before you put your handguard on, you might want to do that because you can see this rod here, it actually comes through this hole right here. So if you want to swap it out, you have to do this before you put your handguard on. Otherwise, this will all be enclosed and you won't have access to remove this. So just a little helpful hint there for you. Either way, that does it for this video here today. Just want to do a quick unboxing overview of the M5 enhanced upper receiver from Aero Precision. Depending on when you watch this video, I already have a bunch of other videos unboxing the M5 parts as well as the M4 Aero Precision AR-15 parts as well. And I will have the full build on how to put this together up on the channel as well. So either go check those videos out now or stay tuned, they'll be coming soon. If this was helpful, like and subscribe to the channel. Always appreciate that. If you have questions, let me know down in the comments. And until next time, have fun shooting, and we'll see you soon. Thanks, everybody.